Hi, I'm Chef Jamie Gwen, and this is how to make a Merlot cream sauce. This super simple sauce is sublime, served over a filet mignon, a ribeye, or even a New York steak, and especially delicious with lamb chops. I love the acid in the Merlot and how it complements the cream. It's really full of flavor. Pour 1.5 cups of Merlot or any dry red wine of your liking into a small sauce pot, bring to a simmer, and reduce by half. To the reduced wine, add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Whisk the mixture together to combine, then add 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Bring the sauce to a simmer and reduce until thick, about 5 minutes. Serve spooned over your protein of choice and enjoy.